these are niche that under beauty niche, and I have been handling 8 ad accounts for specifically for beauty niche, and all the legion um, that I've handled are all local targetings. Some are specific region on Australia, like Victoria, Queensland, Western Australia. So yeah, I'm going to quickly walk you through it and how I manage all of them. So Lumia Aesthetics. So I've been running this ad account for just last month, and it's already been my 2 months, and clients been very happy with the results. And um, these are all custom conversion made, and we have leads that are generating quite good, and the cost per lead are also uh, been been very good for the past 2 weeks. The client, this client is a doctor, and a specialized in so all of these clients here and my ad accounts are some of them are doctors. The product costs somewhere around 2,000, somewhere around $800 Australian. Solimia Aesthetics, and this one for May. So these are 3 doctors here, 2 doctors. Uh, these are all custom conversions. So if you have a lot of funnels in your website, we can definitely tweak that. And I know your major concern is how to track the funnel and appropriately and properly, because you know this discrepancy between Facebook and the websites, especially right now with iOS update. And yeah, that's something that I really have to make sure if you have a lot of funnel in your website. Okay, so these are MOF and BOF. These are I have separated for each doctor here, Naveen and doctors Jake and Dr. Naveen. So they have their separate TOF, they have separate MOF and BOF. So these are doctors, and whenever someone will book a consult with them, they will be charging somewhere around 3,000, somewhere 1,000. Um, so Artisty, this is a conversion. I'm a messenger. Um, so I already have prepared my dashboard here. So I've set up a custom conversions here for the funnels and for the thank you page. Those are the main importance like elements that we need to make sure that we um, hone down. And um, also the KPIs here are set. These are mixed ad accounts. I'm running directly to the website, which is conversion. I'm also running also on the messenger ad. So Rodrigo, these are doctors, and TOF, MOF. So what we're doing here with the client is just this client will just give me. So I'm opening 2 browsers here, like for our Slack. She is going to provide all the tasks in Asana, and I'm just there to hit everything like complete. All the tasks here are completed in specific date, and every time I do a reporting, so we do it on Friday. And yeah, with a system in place also, I can show you my system here. Like for each ad account, for each clients, I have a system like customer list. These are customers. I mean customers list. The leads, the email list. I have here all the ad accounts and the reportings and my system votes, the winning post IDs. the ad accounts. So in this way, I know where all the errands are at. Like I mean the task. I mean um, all the tasks are going. In terms of if there's going to be a task for that specific date, I'm going to also I also have a folder and also have a. I'll quickly show you my G drive here. So I have a folder and a G drive, so they work hand in hand. So just to make sure that okay, the folder, why folder, why the G drive? Because on my volts here, you can see, let's say for example, restore. I'm going to open my G drive. Um, so I place everything here, the creatives, I have the ad copies, and also the headlines, and other G drives are for this specific client here. So if you're going to be working with me, like there's going to be a beauty ad accounts, like a beauty clients, and they wanted to start off right away with the ads. What we're going to be working on is they were going to provide me the ad copies and the ad creatives, and I'll place it in everything in my uh so as you can hear Danny also have its share, but Danny is not activated yet. So only this client here with everything with this client is all about beauty niche. But these are only local targetings, like the local target markets, like a specific region. But um, what we're working in right now with this ad account is that I mean the workarounds of these ad accounts. If whenever we see that the ads are not going pretty well, like after a week, then the client will provide me all the creatives and the ad copies, and I'll go to the Asana and then just work on whatever tasks are given to me on that specific date. I'm going to work it out right away, and then I'll set up my systems. Go to my folder, and we'll be opening like a lot of tabs, because you cannot be opening like all of them in just one Chrome. And that's something that I figure out basically on my own, because I'm a solo freelancer. If you're going to be working with me, you will be working directly with me. I will be working. I will be reporting directly to you, and yeah, it will just be we're like operating as an agency, but this will only be between you and me relationship. Like there's no white labels. If you're going to give me a brand or ad account, I will not be doing white labels or delegating it to another media buyer. So once you give me an ad account, I'll open up another window specifically for you, and then I'll work it out how many ad accounts I'll be working in here, and I'll place it in my systems. And so this is my client, and let's say if we are going to be a fit, I'll place you here. What's your name? Carrie. So that's your name, right? Okay, Carrie. And then I'll place all your assets here, all the elements, and also including the G drive. So so the good thing about this system is that whenever the client would provide me ad creatives and ad copies, since I'm guided with a system, since I consider this as the system that is very built, like a robust build, because I've already have maybe it's because of my experience on the process of how from jumping from one client from one agency to another agency. Then I started to figure out how to work on stuff, and how to be sure that nothing gets nothing gets unattended. Like if the client will give me this, I will just work it out and then mark it as complete. So the client gave me this um, a week just this week, and then I'll mark them complete. And then yeah, I mean the client's happy because this isn't our agency relationship, so this will be only be our freelancer and a client you a relationship. So so the only advantage of this one is I will not be ghosting you. Whenever you have a task for me, I will just go to whatever project management tool we'll be using. So for in this case, we are using Asana. If we'll be venturing into Monday.com or whatever Trello, yeah, I'm also capable of completing all the tasks. And yep, so you will be onboarded on my Slack here. Some of the agencies, some of the I have all these agencies here, but they're still not active. So if you were going to be deciding to go for me, then definitely I will be able to set things up like from verifying domain, iOS updates, the pixels, aggravated events, and all those fun stuff. And the best part is that you will be working directly with me, and there's no white label, there's no agencies involved. It's just will only just be you and me, relationship. So during our call, whatever we make the decision if it's going to be a Thursday or Friday, now I'll be able to report it to you on a weekly basis. So let me just open up my reporting here. So I'm sorry it's taking so long. So so all my ad accounts are here. Um, let's say this one. So which is the client that requires for May. Okay. So these are my reportings here. So from July 5 to July 7. So as you can see here, this client here has a lot of funnels. Like I have to create this custom conversion, this one also, and this one. And I mean, this doctor has a lot of funnels going on with his website, so I have to create all those fun stuff in the custom conversion. So yep, and I will do a summary here of what's working and what's not. And yep.